everybody, welcome back. I'm Chad and I help people with wealth, health, and prosperity. And today we're going to talk about how to make law of attraction simple. What's the simplified version of law of attraction? What's the simplified version of manifesting? How to make manifesting simple. Okay, what's really going on? And we're going to hit the hammer on the head here. So we're going to rock and roll. And I'm going to tell you the simple secret right here, right now. This short into the game, this short into the video. And it's this. This is law of attraction simplified version. Okay. If we would only think, or dominant thoughts, if we would only think all through the day what we want to do, we would get exactly what we want. If we would only think, okay, our desires, our goals, all through the day, what we want to do, in that positive light, you would have exactly what you want. It's simple as that. Okay. Now, what messes it up is because that's not what's really going on. That's not our dominant thoughts. Okay. Most of the time, or 95% of the time, our dominant thoughts are negative or have some type of negative connotation. We're constantly thinking about what we don't like, what we don't want to do, what we don't have. We're complaining about our significant other. We're complaining about our friends. We go to work and we talk about our significant other. We go home and then we talk about the people we work with. You know what I mean? If we set a goal, when we see our dream car fly down the freeway, besides blessing that person and being excited, we end up cursing that person. We talk about that person that we don't even know. We become jealous, resentful, and despise that person that has what we want. Okay, these are always our dominating thoughts going throughout the day, and that's actually what's coming to us. Okay, we're kind of on this vicious cycle. We're kind of on this giant hamster wheel of thoughts. Okay, law of attraction is working, manifesting is working for you. Okay, but it's working in reverse. It's giving you what you don't want because those are your dominating thoughts. It's keeping you stuck. Makes sense? So the simplified version of law of attraction is if we only reversed it and we went throughout a whole day and just only thought about what we want, what we like, what we desire, what we're going to do, and we're excited about it like how we used to be as a kid, we would have everything we want. Okay, now everything has a gestation period. It doesn't mean it's going to fall out of the sky. Okay, some things happen really fast. Some things take a little bit of time. That's what I mean by a gestation period. Okay, it is coming to us and it speeds up the more we actually believe that we deserve to have it. Okay, and that comes from our dominating thoughts. That's the simplified version of law of attraction, my friends. If you would only believe that you deserve it, and your dominating thoughts are always on the topics of what do I want? What do I want to do? What am I going to do today? What kind of fun am I going to have today? You would have exactly what you want. That's a simplified version of manifesting, my friends. Start doing that today. Start doing exercises. That's why law of attraction, manifesting exercises, okay? Stop putting a time limit on it. Do them until your core belief is you believe you can have what you want. Do them so much that you're always thinking about what you want to do, what you like, what you're going to achieve. You do them until your dominating thoughts are like that. To your core, you believe it. And that's when things start speeding up. That's when manifesting starts speeding up in your life. That's when you start getting what you want in your life. Start doing that today, my friends. That's the simplified version of law of attraction. That's the simplified version of manifesting. Other than that, hopefully you love this video. Comment below. Let me know your thoughts, pros and cons, even if you want to be cheesy a little bit. And I'll see you in the next video.